Good morning, children. Yesterday I shared a presentation of chapter 4, that is heat. And in the first slide you can see there are objects which are hot and cold. Some objects are hot and some objects are cold. Like you know that we take tea in the morning. Tea is hot. We take cold drinks and ice creams in summer. So that cold drinks and ice creams are cold. So some objects are hot and some objects are cold. Some objects are hotter than others and some are colder than others. Then how can we decide that the object is hot and the other object is cold? You will say that we can touch and we can see that if any object is hot or if any object is cold. But can you rely on that? Can you rely on your sense of touch? You have done already one activity that we cannot rely on our sense of touch. So, we need some instrument to measure the hotness of an object. And that instrument is known as thermometer. Thermometer is a device which measures temperature. And what is temperature? Temperature is the measure of the degree of hotness of an object. You can see that these are clinical thermometers. These are the pictures of clinical thermometers. And some of you might have seen digital thermometers. These are digital thermometers. Okay, nowadays we are having digital thermometer at our homes also. Okay, so we can measure the temperatures with either clinical thermometer or digital thermometer. What is the difference between the two and how can we measure? So there is the next slide in which you can see measuring of temperature. The thermometer that measures the temperature of our body is called clinical thermometer. And here you can see in the picture, this is clinical thermometer. This is the structure. Here it is a bulb in which a metal that is mercury is there, and here there is a small tube like structure or bore. This is the structure of clinical thermometer. In this clinical thermometer we have scales marked from 0 degree centigrade. Here the clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degree centigrade to, you can see here 35 to 42 degree centigrade temperature. So a clinical thermometer measures temperature or reads temperature from 35 degree centigrade to 42 degree centigrade. And what is the normal temperature of the human body, children? It is written over here, the normal temperature of the human body is 37 degree centigrade. So this is a clinical thermometer. How can we read the clinical thermometer? In the picture you can see that this thermometer can be inserted in the mouth. And then the level of the mercury is read and the temperature is being taken. And you might have seen that this thermometer is kept under the arm also. That can also be used for measuring the temperature. There is another thermometer which is called laboratory thermometer. As the name itself indicates, it is a laboratory thermometer. That means it is kept in the labs and used in the labs. What is the difference? You can see it's a long thermometer and it has a bulb over here at one end. It has a scale and range of 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. So a lab thermometer can measure the temperature from 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. Okay, and how can we measure the temperature with the laboratory thermometer? You can see here is a solution and the thermometer is kept inside the solution, and the level of mercury in the thermometer will read the temperature. So this is how we can read the temperature through a clinical thermometer or through a laboratory thermometer. Okay, here we have kept the thermometer such as that it does not touch the bottom of the vessel. Okay, it is clear from the picture itself. So this is about temperature and how we measure the temperature, what are the different kind of thermometers. This is all for today, and tomorrow we'll see how the heat is transferred. Okay children, have a good day. Thank you.